But it runs fine.
If I sell it to you, you're happy. I sell thousands of parts, I get 1,000 people happy. You know,
dude, I don't understand, bro.
I bought the car 3 years ago. So whatever I paid, if I sell it to you for market value, I mean, I'm gonna lose money. I'd rather just kind of, and then plus I think it'll be fun. Like it's gonna be fun taking this thing apart. Like a complete car, every piece is good. Just like blow it up.
Okay, so you're just gonna sell all the parts.
Just everything.
A perfectly running car, drives down the road, take it to car shows, we'll put exotic all over it, we'll advertise your business
the first
through
time.
the car.
Remember that 430 that I had that was sick? Parted that one out. Two 360s parted out.
Part something out, let's part them all out.
I gotta keep one at least.
Especially how it's pretty fun to drive.
It is. That's another thing too. No one has parts for this car, so
damn, bro,
we're gonna have everything.
I really wanted that car.
Well, shit, I guess this is gonna be the last time we're gonna see it all complete. What do you think, Steve? Where do you start?
You gotta get it up first.
The first Aventador we're parting out, so
Yeah. What's
you know, maybe
Aventador we've ever had?
true. So hopefully I spelled it
The
right.
first and only. Yeah.
A vent, a door. You got the vent and a door.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've seen a couple that were like just straight burnt to the ground, like burnt. Like we buy some burns, but this is like flat. But then like maybe like a pile of a motor is there or whatever, which like, I mean, I'd
goes
buy it
for-
for like $500 or something. Just to, like maybe I'll get, you know, pieces of a motor or something like that. That's worth, you know, a couple thousand. It never fails. You win a car, get a car on approval. Then they don't release it. They release it the next time, then you miss it. Someone else gets it. And that sucks too. Talking, it's like, oh shit. Just give me a second. I got like 2 more cars and then I'll be done. Just have them on hold. It is fun though. It's kind of, you know, you never know. Sometimes you get a really good deal, sometimes you don't. But I mean, generally speaking, the good deals are very, very few and far between. And then you get a car, you get it, you know, you're the high bidder, and then it's like bonus time, and then someone else comes in and bids it even more. It's getting pretty. We want to see green. California. So we got 2 Californias, Illinois, Oregon. It'll get to a point where it starts to slow down a little bit. I think to a certain extent too. Some people could be bidding on it based on, you know, someone else. Like, or if this Oregon bidder knows, well, this California guy wants it, it must be worth it, you know. I think he's going to at least 50. Huh. This guy's still going. I'm just gonna keep going. Fuck it. They're getting close to reserve, releasing the reserve. It's pure sale now. It's pure sale. Reserve's off. It's selling all the way now. 68.5 bonus time. Watch him jump in right now. He's out. 68.5. All right. Oh, what the? Oh my goodness. See, it goes right to the very end. People just they be fucking with you on this thing. Damn. See that we were right at the end, huh? I thought, I mean, they release, and then it was like split second. He just whatever jumped in and got it. It's just, I mean, 71 could be worth it, but it takes a lot of the potential and profit out of it. So. What was it? What are you doing now? You're gonna
Drain all the fluids out.
and then what's next? Motor?
Well, yeah. I'm just getting all my fluids out so I can take off all my hoses and stuff.
Yeah. So you're gonna drain fluids and then pull the motor, or are you gonna pull the motor with the cradle or no?
Oh yeah.
With the cradle together, or pull the
I'm
cradle
dropping the whole rear end.
with the cradle and the motor?
With the
all
cradle, the rear end, everything. Like,
I would go suspension cooling, just kind of minimize some stuff that's hanging off of it because it's right there. You can easily
yeah.
just to get it all out of the way. So it's just a smaller package.
Okay. I can do that.
Goes along nicely. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Hit the subscribe. We got a lot more coming. Thanks for watching.